Before we begin, I want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creatives and curious people. There are classes on animation, graphic design, illustration, and photography, just to name a few, so whether you're looking to hone in on an existing skill that you already have or learn something entirely new, Skillshare is the place to get lost in your creativity. Being a bullet journalist and an artist, the combination of productivity and art really appeals to me. So the Skillshare course called Productivity for Creatives, Build a System That Brings Out Your Best by Thomas Frank is all about merging those two worlds. Frank says that inspiration isn't a muse, it's a muscle, and you have the power to make it stronger. This class is for anyone interested in learning how to show up at your best through optimizing your workspace, collaborative techniques, and strengthening your mindset. The first 1,000 people who use the link in my description will receive a 1-month free trial to Skillshare Premium. Thanks again, Skillshare, and now let's get into the video.